These are tens of donkeys in Deya sub-county. They were rescued by Anti-Stock Theft Unit, a police unit that rescued them from thieves. The thieves who intended or who had a plan of slaughtering them in Deya in a place called Boma. We reach here with the county administration officers. Here you'll find carcasses. They are not the ordinary carcasses. These are carcasses of donkeys and not cows. You will ask yourself, where is the meat? Where is the skin? Reports indicate that donkey skin is costly and it is valuable because it is used to make medicine in countries like China. And in these carcasses, you'll just find bones. In Nairobi city, you'll find steak that are being sold in various supermarkets. Ask yourself, the meat you are taking, is it cow meat or is it even goat meat? You'll be wrong, but the reality is you might have been taking the donkey meat. Ask yourself, where are the bones? You buy steaks from supermarket because you say the meat steak is sweet. Do you know what you are eating? Donkey welfare stakeholders have now called upon Kenyans rearing donkeys to protect them.
Walikuwa wamepungua wakaja 1,200,000, 1.2 million. Ni kusema kwa muda wa miaka 10 punda wamepungua takriban punda 1,700. Lakini ukiangalia kwa jinsi ya kuzaa tunasema punda walipungua takriban punda 1,000,000.
The plea comes at a time when donkey slaughter has increased. As I told you earlier, in Deya sub-county, the officers of the local administration have confirmed that tens of donkeys have been slaughtered. Deya sub-county administration, accompanied by Brook East Africa, visited the suspected slaughter points in Boma in the sub-county, where the heaps of donkey carcasses suspected to be of recent activities were found.
No, punda ambaye ni wakazi, hana shida. Na hii sasa ndio shinda kubwa. Utakuta huyu punda alikuwa mama fulani.
Dr. Raphael Kinoti, the regional director, Brook East Africa, noted that the government can save the donkeys by banning the sale of donkey skins. Donkey skins are valuable. They are used to make medicine. They are exported to countries like China.
Wizi huu wa punda na uchinjaji wa punda kwenye vichaka unakuwa facilitated so much na kwamba hawa cartels wamepewa barua na serikali kuuza ngozi. Ngozi ya punda itatoka wapi kama punda hawataibiwa wafe?
For example, one donkey skin goes for approximately 20 to 35,000 Kenya shillings. Deya Sub-County Assistant County Commissioner 1, Peter Mose, who accompanied the team that went to see where the carcasses are being thrown, realized that the teams or the cartels who are doing such business are well networked.
Kwa muda wa miaka 10. So ni kusema takwimu yao inaenda chini. Na inaenda chini kwa nini? Mnakumbuka kwamba 2016 mpaka 2020 vichinjio vya punda vilikuwa vinaendeshwa na vikachinja punda wengi sana kuendelea kuwamaliza. Lakini sasa baada ya hivi vichinjio kusitishwa,
calling upon the government agencies to have laws in place that are going to ensure a tough penalty is given to those who are found culpable of dealing or doing business that is related to donkeys.
Kuna watu walikuwa na punda na saa hii hawana punda sababu imeibiwa. Hata kila boma watu wanataka punda lakini hawa kuifanya nini kuileta kwa sababu itaibiwa. Sasa wanagoja serikali itusaidie.
So the weak laws are the weak link here. Because as I said, we are on top of this. We have put up measures to make sure that this fight is eradicated. However, sometimes it's so discouraging that we have done the arrest, we have the culprits, and the following day they are walking free, and in the evening they are enjoying their drink. So that's why we feel that it's important again that the laws can be revisited and enacted on this one. Maybe some were done as far back 1960s.